Hi, this is Stephanie with Imbue, and if you're new around here, Imbue stands for Empowerment and Beauty, and I'm a coach and a hair and makeup artist, and I help women live beautiful lives both inside and out. And today I'm going to talk about the importance of the outside and why that matters so much. And with my coaching work that I do with my clients, we spend so much time focusing on all of the inside stuff, which is so important. I don't want to discount that, but there's a lot of time spent on like goal setting and scheduling and having a plan and boosting your self-esteem and your confidence. And a lot of that is truly and completely an inside job. But when you're trying to create change in your life, that inside stuff is only half of the picture. And I'll tell you a little bit more about why. The actions that you take on the outside help to reinforce everything that's going on the inside. And when I was in beauty school, one of the things that they told us was fake it till you make it. And that's not what I'm talking about here. I think it's really common to like go out and pretend that you're ready to do something, and you really need to have the inside and the outside both on board in sync together. So the action that I'm talking about is when you're trying to reach a goal or make a change and show up differently, you need to have the internal goal and then also the matching action and expression on the outside. So this came from, I was listening to a podcast from Amy Porterfield, and she was interviewing this guy named James Clear. He wrote this best-selling book called Atomic Habits, and it's all about how to make smart habits that help you get to the life that you want. And he talks about how setting a goal and preparing to have, change in your life, or doing research and doing all of the learning is only half of the picture. And actually doing the thing helps to prove to your mind and to yourself that you are the thing that you want to become. So what does that mean? It's the example that he used was with if your goal was to start running and to maybe run like a marathon or something like that. If you go and you create a running plan or hire a running coach or buy running shoes, none of those things makes you a runner. The thing that makes you a runner is actually going out and hitting the pavement and actually running. So that action is going to reinforce your goal. So your actions are super important, just as the expression of everything that you do on the outside is really important as well to reinforce anything that you're working on the inside. So my question for you, and this was from one of James Clear's blog posts on the topic, was, are you doing something or are you just preparing to do it? And I think this is a really good time of year to think about this, because a lot of people make goals at the beginning of the year, and the goal setting is great. I do it every month and it's awesome. But what are your action steps to get to that goal, and are you actually acting on them? So I would love to hear what you're working on. Leave me a comment in the comment section for this video, and let me know what it is that you are taking action on this year. And also, I wanted to share that I am hosting a really fun workshop next week, and it's all about reaching your goals with creativity and ease, because I think that goal setting can be kind of like hard sometimes and a little bit, less than playful. And there are really creative and fun ways for you to help to reach your goals and things that can help support you in that. And so I've created a workshop that I'd love to share with you. It's happening next week. So you can sign up in the link that I will post with this video, and I hope to see you there. Thanks for signing on.